So I went to the Poundland sale, and I was joking with my wife, you know, that with Poundland, where do you go from a pound? You know, how do you have a sale? Well, actually I know now, because this I got for only 25p, which is really amazing. I don't remember buying anything for 25p in many a long year, so I thought that was a super bargain. So this is one of these little light up boxes that they sometimes sell, and it's got a pen with an eraser on it. So the idea is, you know, it's like a message box that you can write a message on, and then it's lit up, and don't know, might be useful, who knows. Nowhere to attach the pen though, but I guess for 25p you can't really complain. Let's have a look. So we need some AAAs for that. There we go. So it's obviously just got the one LED in it. You can see a sort of concentration, circular concentration of light here. Actually, it shows up on the camera even more clearly than when you're looking at it. So I guess all that's in here is a LED and maybe a resistor. There's no screws, so this must be glued in or pressed in. Let's get a spudger. Oh, that's hard going. Oh, there we go. Oh yeah, so there's just a couple of catches on the 3 places there. That's actually quite a nice LED. You can see, I'm not sure how well the camera is picking this up, but I can quite clearly see these little grey spots, which are the LEDs themselves. So we've got 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you've got 10 LEDs all mounted. It's on one of these aluminium backed PCBs, so that aluminium acts as a bit of a heat sink to dissipate the heat, because these LEDs with several LEDs all on the same site, they generate quite a lot of heat. And some of the bigger ones, you know, like the 10-watt ones, you can't run without fitting on a heatsink because they just burn up. But obviously this is probably not going to burn up because it's only got a couple of AAA cells, so there's not a lot of power available. But you can see the circuitry here. There's just this big power resistor. I don't know what that is. Maybe it's a 1/2 watt resistor. You can see relative to my finger, that's bigger than your average, you know, sort of 1/4 watt, 1/8 watt type resistor. And orange, black, gold. What's that? Is it 3 ohms or 30 ohms? I'd have to go and check. Yeah, it should probably be about 30 ohms. So we just have the battery box providing the power. We got a switch on the negative side, and we've got the dissipating, the current limiting LED and current limiting resistor, and then we've got the LED itself with its 10 LED sites there. A bit of hot glue to keep the wires in place, and this switch is a little bit wibbly wobbly. Might have to put a bit more glue on there, keep that in place. They've tried to heat stake it. Yeah. So what I might do with this is have a little project, because it'd be quite nice to have some coloured LEDs in here, or maybe colour changing LEDs. Maybe in addition to this white LED, and there's plenty of room in here for other LEDs, so I think I might do that. So there we go, the Poundland draw on cloud, 25p in the Poundland sale. A terrific bargain. Hooray for the sales.